Pakistan has welcomed the Permanent Court of Arbitration's ruling affirming its unrestricted right over Western rivers' flows under the Indus Waters Treaty. The Hague Tribunal declared India must let flow the waters, and all hydropower exceptions must strictly align with treaty terms, not India's best practices. Islamabad calls this award a landmark endorsement of its riparian rights. The Punjab Provincial Disaster Management Authority has issued a medium to high flood alert for the Chenab River at Marala, Kadirabad, and Trimu, citing rising water levels. Administrations in affected districts have been placed on high alert, and residents near riverbeds are urged to evacuate and follow safety protocols. Pakistan's Foreign Office has strongly condemned the deadly Israeli airstrike in Gaza, extending heartfelt condolences to the families of the victims and reaffirming unwavering solidarity with the Palestinian people. The government called the attack a grave violation of humanitarian and human rights laws and urged the international community to act decisively to hold Israel accountable. In Quetta, Balochistan Chief Minister Mir Sarfraz Bugti expressed deep concern over prolonged delays in the Jhalawan Medical College and Hospital project. He ordered immediate reactivation, removal of the current project director, and fast-tracking of a revised PC-1 to safeguard students' future and ensure timely completion.
You're watching Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Get your trusted updates, not hype. Subscribe now.
The Pakistan Air Force is closely monitoring electronic warfare developments emerging from the ongoing Ukraine conflict. Senior PAF analysts are studying how Russian and Ukrainian forces are using radar jamming, GPS spoofing, and signal disruption to disable enemy drones and precision-guided weapons. These lessons could be adapted for Pakistan's own air defense networks, enhancing survivability in contested airspace. Sources indicate that the PAF is particularly interested in integrating AI-driven threat detection into its airborne and ground-based systems. The aim is clear: to ensure that in any future engagement, Pakistan can dominate the electronic spectrum as effectively as it does the skies. Moscow's recent move toward officially recognizing the Taliban as Afghanistan's legitimate government is sending ripples through South and Central Asia. Analysts warn this could embolden the Taliban politically, increase its access to international markets, and reshape power balances across the region. For Pakistan, which maintains complex ties with Afghanistan, the development could bring both opportunity and risk. While recognition might pave the way for more stable border trade, it could also invite criticism from Western partners. Neighboring powers like China and Iran may follow Moscow's lead, shifting the diplomatic map, and Pakistan will need to navigate carefully to protect both its security interests and economic ambitions. The International Criminal Court has issued arrest warrants for several top Taliban leaders, citing alleged war crimes and crimes against humanity. This unprecedented step raises questions about the enforcement of international law in conflict zones where global institutions have little physical reach. For Pakistan, the move could complicate cross-border cooperation and dialogue with Afghan authorities, as some of the named individuals are deeply embedded in Kabul's power structure. Diplomatic analysts caution that the warrants could either pressure the Taliban toward concessions or push them further into the orbit of supportive states. In either case, the decision could reshape the political dynamics in the Afghanistan-Pakistan corridor. The Talisman Sabre 25 joint military exercise, currently underway between the United States and Australia, features over 30,000 troops from multiple allied nations, including Japan, South Korea, and the UK. The large-scale drills simulate amphibious landings, air superiority battles, and long-range strike coordination, all aimed at boosting deterrence in the Indo-Pacific. While officially not directed at any one nation, the exercise clearly signals to China that Western allies remain capable of rapid deployment in contested waters. For Pakistan, observing such exercises provides valuable insights into coalition warfare and interoperability, potentially informing its own joint operations planning with friendly nations. The U.S. Navy has unveiled new 3D printing systems capable of manufacturing mission-critical components directly aboard ships, reducing repair times from weeks to mere hours. This innovation is set to revolutionize naval logistics by enabling vessels to maintain combat readiness without returning to port. Pakistan's naval planners are reportedly studying the potential of similar additive manufacturing capabilities for the Pakistan Navy's frigates and submarines. With tensions rising in regional waters, the ability to repair damaged systems in real time could give Pakistan a decisive operational edge, especially in extended maritime patrols or blockades. Former U.S. President Donald Trump has ordered the deployment of 800 National Guard troops to Washington, D.C., while assuming direct control of the city's police force amid escalating political unrest. The move, controversial even within American political circles, highlights the increasing militarization of domestic security. For Pakistan's observers, the event serves as a reminder of how quickly internal instability can prompt the use of military resources in civilian spaces. Strategic analysts warn that such shifts in U.S. domestic focus could influence its foreign policy bandwidth, potentially affecting its role in South Asian affairs. That's all for today from Pakistangeo Defense. Hit subscribe and drop your opinion.